глянь, ёб твою мать. Ебать нахуй, я в ахуе.
The Ukrainian incursion into the Russian Kursk region is widening, and pro-Ukrainian forces are advancing deep into Russian territory. According to Russian source Rybar, Ukrainian forces managed to penetrate deep towards Koronevo, as well as entering Sudzha from the south. This would mean Oleshnya, Melovoy, Rubanshchina, and Honcharevka are taken by the Ukrainian armed forces. Reports coming in about a shot-down Russian fighter jet. Unclear where and which type, but presumably in the Kursk direction. According to Russian sources, Ukrainian DRG units have already reached the village of Koronovo, some 20 to 25 kilometers from the breached border. Here we can see how Russian drone is helplessly monitoring Ukrainian units moving north. And ordinary Russians are in shock. They are being lied by their propaganda that Ukraine is about to surrender any moment now, but now they are seeing their soldiers being killed in Russia. Incredible.
Короче, у меня вот ракета упала тут. Одна вот здесь вот упала. Бэхи пизда. По моей машине асфальт. Короче, вот так вот. Все, пизда сюда. Сейчас я сейчас. Все, вот он, дом, сюда прилетел.
Тут пизда нахуй, самолеты над головой, прикинь, летают нахуй, истребители. Это, блядь, догорает, вон тачка нахуй, даже хуй пожарка едет, понял? Тут пизда полная, глянь, ёб твою мать. Ебать нахуй, я в ахуе.
And the Russian town of Sudzha in Kursk Oblast is getting Vovchansk treatment. Incredible. Russians are leveling towns on their own territory as well. Local Russian channels from Sudzha report that Sudzha would be under Ukrainian control. Earlier, a rumor appeared that Russian local commanders had surrendered the town without fighting. For now, this is all speculation and not confirmed. A new video from the area near Zelenyi Shliak, taken by a driver trying to leave, shows dead Russian soldiers and their rifles on the road.
Блять, автоматы, солдаты валяются, ёбаный в рот, блять. Пиздец. Ёбаный в рот, блядь. Пиздец, нахуй.
And this is amazing. Russians are surrendering en masse. A group of 22 captured Russian soldiers marching towards the Ukrainian border, added to the larger group already accumulated there.
22 чоловіки. Чуть-чуть підклювали їх ваші FPV. Дякую вам. Це все завдяки пану Стерненку. Його дронами викорили цих підарасів.
M1132 Striker ESV with LWMR mine roller being used in the Kursk region to clear passage through minefields. The Russian Ministry of Defense and several Russian telegram channels say that Ukraine has conducted an advance into Kursk Oblast today. including with elements from Ukraine's 22nd Mechanized Brigade and possibly strikers from the 82nd Air Assault Brigade. Chief of the General Staff, Army General Valery Gerasimov, said at a meeting with Putin that Ukraine will be defeated and the Russian armed forces will reach the administrative borders. He didn't say which border, though. Their imaginary land in Ukraine or Russian territory, which is now under Ukrainian control. Clown. Russian President Vladimir Putin claimed that the actions of the Ukrainian military in the Kursk region were a large-scale provocation at a meeting with government members on August 7th. Moscow claimed that Ukrainian forces crossed the border into the Kursk region on August 6th, resulting in clashes on Russian soil. Kiev has not commented on the fighting in the area. Kursk region lies on the border with Ukraine's Sumy Oblast, which has been experiencing daily Russian attacks since the liberation of its parts in April 2022. These attacks were not preceded by any Ukrainian attacks on Russian territory. Putin claimed that Ukrainian soldiers are carrying out attacks on civilian facilities in the Kursk region, adding he is planning to meet with the heads of Russian security agencies. According to Russian officials, 5 people were killed and at least 20 injured as a result of clashes in the area. Russians have reportedly started transferring reserves to the Kursk region in response to the ongoing operation by Ukraine. This will undoubtedly release the pressure in Kharkiv for Ukrainian troops, and maybe even it will give them a chance to clear the Russian infestation there. Is this just an ordinary panic or a serious reason for concern for Russia? We don't know, but in the city of Stroitel, Belgorod region, Russian special forces are on the move. It is unclear what is happening. The town is located 20 kilometers north of Belgorod. More footage from Ukrainian equipment on the move, during night, likely in the Kursk region.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.